What's up guys? Welcome back to another video with my son. We have a special guest. So this is gonna be an unusual video kasi we're gonna target this one specific species. We will try to catch cats today. And these two guys right here, tinatawanan lang ako nito dahil puro mga MA boys to ng catfish.
Yes, sir.
So, I have yet to catch my MA.
Hindi yung nasa likod.
Yeah.
Specialist yun.
The one at the back. Stick around with us guys. Hopefully we get to land some good ones today. Better yet, my first MA catfish. See you later guys. Dapat nakadiretso na kami, but look at this! Holy! Tignan nyo naman yan guys. Wow! Ang laki ng bahay.
Ba?
Yaman. Oh, yeah, that's how they will lift it down. They will lower it down. Yeah. Yeah, look. That's how houses are in Canada. Just one. That's the second house. So, okay na kami. Yeah. Fishing. Let's go. Look at the traffic at the back. These two guys right here are already an expert when it comes to like bait and weight. Because that is one of my kryptonite when it comes to fishing. I hate waiting. Okay? So I will try my best to at least get myself familiarized again with bait and weight. I've already forgotten about how to do bait and weight. You know, the real bait and weight.
Isa mo ba yung tsura namin?
Yeah, because it's been years.
Ganyan lang ako.
Yeah. I don't know the techniques that you guys are using, pero these guys are already experts. Yeah, you just got your MA ring, right?
Yan.
Okay.
Specialist yun.
So far, the setup that we have for our rod and reels, mine is 9 feet, this guy has 10 feet. Yung kay Rain, si Rain na mag-explain mamaya. And both of us, we have 65-pound test for the main line. And then we're going to use 30-pound test mono for the leader. 12-inch. I'm gonna show it to you later. So, hopefully, something plays with us today. Sana. First MA. That's our goal today. Hopefully.
For him. Sawa na kami dun.
Yeah. See? May yabang eh. Okay, let's get it on. Alright, we made it. We are at 5:08 right now. First time nitong dalawang kolokoy na to dito. So, I don't know what's going to happen. Just join us. And thank you for clicking on this video. Using 6-aught Gamakatsu hook. So we're just gonna debarb it. Yeah, all good. Right, so I'm done tying this up. Yeah, it's 4-ounce weight with the swivel and the leader, 30 pounds of mono, and then yeah, the hook, 6-aught Gamakatsu. So this is how it looks like. Let's go. Hoop, hoop. Hey.
Okay. The bottom of the piece. So, oh yeah.
Okay, so this is for the bait that we're using right now. This is chicken breast and the whole ensalada. So this is top secret. Hindi namin sasabihin. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Yeah. Yeah, this is what it looks like. We started marinating like Sunday, right? Oh my goodness. Okay. This is how we will rig it. Ito yung bait. Hindi siya mabango. Okay. Yeah.
Tapos pagkatapos may sara mo.
Yeah, wait. Okay. Let's see. I don't know. Okay, first cast. Tapos maluwag ang ano.
Drag?
We loosen the drag.
You can. Pero not all the way. Kasi you might mess the hook set.
Tignan natin kung sino unang kakagatan. Let's go. Just in case. I brought this one just in case.
Oh, rain.
Hop.
Oh my God!
Woohoo! Ikaw pa rin na nauna.
I think it's a drum. Oh, it's gone. Kailan pa yan? It's gone.
Oh! Pero pa!
Kailan pa yan?
Nice.
Catfish yan, bro.
Oh. Nice.
Yeah, it ran.
First cat. Expert talaga, expert. Galing. Nice.
Hindi, ang ganda kasi ng cast mo yung layo eh.
Yeah.
Come on, Ron, please run. I wanna hear this thing scream, you know?
Nice. Wala na. Wala pa kaming, we're not even like what? 15 minutes? Good job.
Effective yan.
Nice. Good job. Ano, net? Where's the net?
That.
Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh, ho, ho, ho.
It looked brown. Yeah, bullhead. Probably a bullhead.
No, it's not.
It's so active,
Lakas
bro.
naman yan. Oh.
Oh,
No,
dude, that's a good eating size.
Oh. First cat. Nice. Ang laki. Pwede na. Not bad.
Oh my God.
Good job.
Oh.
Nice rain. Nice rain. Nice.
I would touch it, but it's so much leech. Yeah, look at that. Oh no, wrong one. Whoops.
Lower lip.
Yeah. Come on.
Nice rain. Good job. Oh.
Don't get
God.
barbed, bro.
Eh.
Oh man, he's so. Okay, I'm gonna wash him.
Sige, ako magmamastad, sige. Kasi,
Is there actually no leeches at the bottom?
wala.
Sa ano lang? Sa lip lang.
It's just the lip.
No, it's okay. No, it's okay. No, it's too big for him.
Is it
It's too big for him. No. Okay, whatever.
There.
No, it's okay. Just.
Okay. Sige na. Hawak.
Alright. Nice rain.
There you
Good job, rain.
Up there, teka. Oh.
There you go, buddy.
Oh.
Thank you for biting, man.
Yeah. Thank you for playing. Bye-bye. Good job.
No.
Whew, First,
Fuck, dog.
we're not even like 15 minutes here. What the heck? What the heck? What do you have on your run?
It's a medium heavy regular kitty with the Abu Garcia 6500 Ambassador, and I added I upgraded the handle with a Gomexes for more leverage.
Line, what about line?
This is a Power Pro 50
50 pound test. Yeah, he is rich. And then sinker is on what?
It's 120 grams of sticker, and leader is the Trilene Big Cat. Trilene Big Cat. 30 pounds.
Alright. Got the first fish. Good job. Okay. Change venue. Doon kami sa Breezy. So, we caught one here. Daling na rin. And then a few bites. Pero, yeah, we will move. Doon kami sa kabila. It's pabo. Oh, ang laking ibon. Ano? Eagle.
Ano lang dun?
Yeah, it's an eagle. You know. Wait lang, Miguel. Ayun mo, litin niyo. Oh. It's an eagle. Oh, eagle. Oh. Oh, see it? Oh, see it? Oh, ano ginagawa niyo dyan? See, do it. Oh, wait lang, Miguel.
Di, paano ko yan?
Ang laki. Oh. Oh, yun.
Ano sa labas yan?
Parang falcon nga yata. Yeah. Falcon, so apat daw. 2, 4, 5. There are 5 of them. Wow. He's coming back. He's coming back. Oh. Hi. Well, kanina pa kami nakakita ng mga exotic na birds. Okay. Let's get her on. Wala pa rin. Puro kagat lang.
Man, it's mosquitoes, bro.
Nothing commits.
Wala pa rin. Tumataas din BP ko.
Ha?
Tumataas BP ko.
Bakit?
Kasi walang isda eh.
Malamang.
Joke lang.
Tayo, dalawa na rin ako.
Dali lang naman ng hunting nun. Take it.
Ooh!
I don't think there is. Oh, yeah, there is. There we go.
Eh.
Oh my god.
Okay, second fish. Si Rain na naman.
Layo niya. Marami na rin yun.
Oh, catfish. Nice.
Diba, ang sarap ng ng malaki yung line mo. Wala kang takot.
Kaya nga kahit anong makipagkagatan sa'yo, ayos lang eh. Nice. Second. It's the guest who's getting all the catch. Oh, sige lang, ayos lang yan. At least we have something to compile, di ba?
Might be small, but it's not running a lot though. Ano to? Oh, it went up. See that wake over there? Nice.
Nice.
There you
Hear that sound? It's a big one.
Come on, come on.
Oh.
Huwag mo papantayin.
Yeah. Huwag mo dyan papuntahin sa weeds.
Oh, yun din.
Yeah. You're gonna have a problem if it goes in the weeds.
Nice. Oh, yun.
Get ready, Mark.
Nice.
Get ready, okay?
Okay. Patay. Boom.
Nasa circle naman yan.
No, hindi. He's barely hooked.
Really hooked?
Oo. Ayun, no? Hindi makita.
Oh my god, he is.
Oh, yun, no?
Sige.
Kala ko nakita nyo. Okay. Alright.
Oh my god, nice man.
Nice, man.
Holy shit.
Nice.
Ang gat nito, boy. Oh my god.
Nice. Woohoo! Oh my goodness.
Yung ano po?
We get the... Teka, we get the measurement?
Yeah. Ayaw.
Saan ko nilagay yun?
Jar?
What?
Okay. Oh my god.
Ah! Ah, dito.
Yung ano po?
Here. Wait. Oh. Okay. Nice, Rain. Good job.
God, there you go.
Oh, nice.
Look at this
Nice, Rain.
beauty.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Teka.
There you go.
Ba? Kamusta kamay mo?
Nice. Second na. Wow, grabe. So nice.
Measurement ko.
Oh, good job. The guest is the one that's slaying it right now. What the heck?
Lakas eh.
Tayong dalawa, wala. Go.
Here you go, buddy.
Okay, release na. Release the Kraken. Haha. Woo!
Ang laki eh.
Oh. Nice. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Come on.
All right.
Come on. Oh my god.
Yeah, so Breezy Point right now, and yeah, of course, this stretch of the Red River all the way to Lockport is, of course, known for big catfish. That's how long? 30?
Around 30.
Yeah, 30. Okay, so yeah. Average is like, yeah, 30 inches all the way to, like, what's your biggest? Yeah, the 38, right?
38.
So yeah. Wala pa kami. Still nothing. We're still waiting. I'm not keeping my hopes down yet. We will, hopefully. At least like a small one. I won't care. Yung nilagay lang sa foil. Oh. Yun na. That's it. Go. Go na. Hook set na. Nice.
You got it? Yes, you got it.
Nice.
Yeah, this boy
Mm,
big.
nice.
Boy.
Oh, it's caught on camera.
Oh, there you go. Oh.
Okay.
Oh, ako na lang. Pucha, mukhang ako pa may iskang ka.
Ang laki nito. I can't pull him.
Oh
I can't pull him.
my god.
Oh, MA yan.
That's gotta be MA.
At last, he's caught something. Yan. Oh, Netman. Yeah, and the one in action. Grabe, he outfished me again. Dang it. No, we're not done yet.
Yeah, pa. He's gone.
He's gone?
He's gone.
No. I saw that.
He's gone.
Ah!
Ang laki niya eh. I
I
couldn't
saw
pull
that.
him.
He did that,
Yeah,
right?
he did that. I couldn't pull him. He's too big.
Whew. For me, none. This guy right here, 2. Mark has a bite. He said it was big, pero we weren't able to land it. Well, good fishing kasi we started at what time? 3?
3, yeah.
Yeah, it's already 9. So, okay na yun. There's always a next time.
Then we came back after a few days.
Today is like a few days after we went out with Rain. Second attempt. Hopefully we can, land something good. Or at least just catch something, yun na lang. See, last time talagang dalawa kami were skunk. So, hopefully we can make up today. Stick around. Sana lang meron makisali. With Mickey Boy. Hi! Say hi! Here at last, we are on the first spot. We are at Racy Point. We are back. Well, same setup, same everything, and 4 ounce weight, and with a 6-aught circle book. 30-pound test for the leader, probably a foot or less than, I think. Let's see. Same recipe. Yeah. The stats. So the waiting game starts. Yan. I just can't believe the last time we were out na not even one. Puti ka pa eh, no? Yeah. Yeah. Yun lang, but we failed to land it.
Excited eh.
Yeah, but hopefully we can get something today. Yeah, my setup right now is this one. This is a medium heavy setup. I changed to the 7 feet rod, and I think something is pulling right now. False alarm. Akala ko ano. But as what I said before, bait and weight is one of my flaws. It's kryptonite for me because I don't know. I don't think I have the patience to wait. Weather condition right now is perfect kasi look, it's overcast. Tapos yeah, it is hot, it is humid, but the water temperature is perfect. So hopefully they decide to be out today to play with us.
So hot.
Yeah, it is. I know, right?
Wati.
I burped.
You burp?
Yeah.
Ayan.
Yan na. Teka, wait for it. Yun na. Reel muna. Kung nandiyan ba, and then hook set. Jun! Ano meron?
Wow. Good job, Dad.
Nawala. Wala. Hindi ka masyado malaki yung hook ko.
Hindi nga. I'm telling you, yung kay Ray 9-aught yun.
Gone. Meron eh, pumalot. He pulled it like 3 times. Here we go again. Oh, at least I've seen that. Okay nito.
Sabi mo kay Miguel, magbabato-bato niyang ano pag tinatamaan yung line natin.
Niggy, buka mo na.
Fine. Good job, Dad. You're a good throw.
Good throw, ah? Yeah.
Yun na, oh. Sabi ko sa iyo eh. Yun, no.
Yeah.
Woo!
He's running towards me. Ha! 1!
Diba? You still wanna move? Sabi ko sa iyo, it should wait it out. Bigyan mo ng konting drag. Uy!
Oh no,
Isa pa.
Yeah.
Yung ano, teka, sige. This fine.
Ayan.
Lip grip.
Number 1. Yeah.
Tapak mo pa yan.
Yes! Woo! Number 1. Woo!
Let's move to Lockport. Nagko-croak siya. You're croaking, boy? One. Whew. Picture? Hindi na. Suwate mo pa rin yun.
Number 1, boys. Number 1. Revenge. Yeah. Whew. Whew.
See, guys, he wanted to move to Lockport so bad, but look at that. Big old cat on a Carolina.
27.
Right, let's go. Release.
Okay.
He's ready.
Yeah, he's ready. Bye-bye. Thank you for playing. Fight was something else. As always, because it's a mighty fish. So, although I just let my reel, loosen up a bit so that I can give it, chance to run and then tire itself. So, yun. Just in case, you be aiming for big fish, which I always forget. It's giving it like drag or loosening up the reel for a bit, at least to give the fish chance to run and then tire himself out. That's the technique. What time was that bite?
Hindi ko alam.
3 something.
3 something.
Yeah, so it's like after 2 hours. First fish. Gutom ako.
Dad.
Wait. Meron?
Summer's come.
Okay.
Yeah. And the summer's coming out the sun.
Sun is coming out?
Wait.
Yeah.
Nawala.
Oh, it's.
War.
Why are you not fighting, bro?
Okay lang.
Yeah.
Drum to. I guarantee you it's drum.
It's a drum? Meron? O baka maliit lang?
Summer's coming.
Bullhead! MA!
Oh.
So paano yan? Kanina yan?
Yeah. It's
You ate it.
he got
How many inches kaya to?
12 yan. Panigurado.
summer.
Got hook!
Teka lang.
Patay! Paano to?
Tay.
Kinain niya.
How?
Ang bagal mo eh. Ako na. Mawawala pa. Tinan mo, kung di ko yun yun, mas nalulok niya pa yun.
Sukatin natin. Where?
Not like you're gonna get away. You want a lip gripper.
Alis ka, Miggy.
Okay. Time, what is?
I did. Wala pa na.
Wala?
Yeah, I think so. Oh no! He is! 14!
Oh.
There.
Alright. Second fish. It's a master angler, but it's a bullhead. Yeah. Revenge or probably make up for the last time. Talaga skunk talaga. But at least we got an MA. An addition. It's my third one already. I had 2 last fall, and then now an addition. So 3. Dalawa pa. I need 2 more for me to be a specialist on the bullhead. Hi.
I want me to fall.
Teka lang, sasubmit lang si Daddy sa Master Angler. Sige.
He's swimming towards me.
Ayun o.
Uling niya mo. Yun ang ano.
Yan.
Catfish talaga yun. Ay, lip gripper. It's running, bro.
It's running. Lucy? Teka.
Ah, sorry.
Ilang?
Yan, sige pa, tatakboy mo lang.
Balik.
Yeah! Laki nito. MA to.
MA to. Yeah, takbo!
Ay, hindi.
Oh, pwede na to. Pagod na to. Yeah. This guy is tired already.
Hindi pa yan.
I think I got my first MA! Ay! Okay.
Baka tamaan ako, Dad.
Ay, sorry.
Ah!
He's so big. He's so heavy.
Try tayo ka, Dad.
Oh! Yeah. I know, right? Yeah, 31 and a half. Whew. Oh, wanna hold it, Mickey?
No.
Whew.
Scary.
Oh, kunin mo yung phone. I-release na natin siya.
Okay, video. 31 and a half.
Baba fish.
You see how he hammered that?
What happened? He's so big.
He is. Ingat ka, Dad.
Goodbye.
Bye. Thank you for playing with us.
Goodbye.
Second one.
Update. Yeah, still 3 fish. It's already like 5:30 something. Good day. We got here like what? Almost 2 p.m. Tapos it's already 5:30. 3 fish. 128, 1 master angler bullhead, and then 31.5. Alright, so that's a wrap of this whole adventure. At least we made the comeback. So thank you very much for joining us on this adventure, guys. See you on the next video, okay? You all have a good